Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's worst gamer here with another reaction. It's another cartel, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title. That song, yeah, not a lot of people know that song, yeah. That song, yeah, bad. Not a lot of people know that song, yeah. Guarantee somebody in the comment section I go say, yo, we never at the first time I hear that song, yeah. Guarantee that song, yeah. Let me just say this. Parents, if you're watching in front of your kids, put them away. Tell them to just put in a headphone or something. Put in a headphone or something. Because this.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
Viewer discussion advice. I said viewers. Yo, me I want the viewers there. Me I want to know. Because me can't take them big words something right now. Yeah, too late. Alright? We're going to jump in the one and hear you. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_worst_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Baby, we are really dealing.
Baby,
What you
I
say?
want it hard tonight.
But
I just want you to take your time.
baby, you
Make love to me.
When you may react to Casa Nostra by Cartel and said that's my favorite Cartel song. This is my favorite girl song by Cartel, I swear.
but
I just want you to take
Cartel featuring Delicious, sorry.
baby, you
Cartel featuring Delicious. Her name is Delicious.
it hard tonight.
but
I just want you to take your time.
baby, you
Make love to me.
baby,
I'm
you
ready to
listen,
do this.
That song her name Rough Sex.
listen and you
Watch out, let me take out my glass, tell me that trouble.
how
I want it slow tonight.
Yeah.
So baby, dim the lights.
Dim.
Just kiss me, touch me, tease me, baby, and just hold me tight. Then look into my eyes and make me fantasize.
Can I say something,
We're
baby?
gonna take me
Let me say something.
Hey, skin it up, pussy fat, make me tin it out. Hey, take what you got, you don't knock out.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Baby,
Viewers discretion advice.
Baby,
Big
I
word.
want it hard tonight.
Discretion.
but
I just want you to take it.
Viewers discretion advice.
Make love to me.
baby, you listen,
Kids, this is not your time. Leave.
listen and you
This is how I want it.
Watch your style.
how
I want it slow tonight.
Yeah.
So baby, dim the lights.
Dim.
Just kiss me, touch me, tease me, baby, and just hold me tight. Then look
Yo, no word of a lie. Me use a song already and get a girl. Me use that song and get a girl already. I swear. Me a drive one girl coming on my car and me find that song and start play it. Jesus Christ. I sing it to her.
dim,
Just kiss me, touch me, tease me, baby, and just hold me tight. Then look into my eyes and make me fantasize.
Can I say something, baby?
Can I say something, baby?
Hey, skin it up, pussy fat, make me tin it out. Hey, take what you got, you don't knock out. Yeah, chat about, back shot, stab it out. She say, Addy, do time out. When you want me take it out and put it in your mouth.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Viewers discretion is advised. Me telling you from the start, you know. Enough. Yo, on the Dayati true dancehall Gaza fan will know that song in a dog. I swear, you know. That song I have about 17 years ago or more in a dog. I'm not joking, you know. Listen, man.
Baby, we are really dealing.
Baby, I don't want it hard tonight.
When me telling you, say me introduce you to some song, this is one of them. This is one of them.
Take your time.
Me introduce you to some fan, to some song. Even the Gaza fans them.
Slow.
Me introduce you, even the Gaza fan them, we claim say them a Gaza fan, no fan and don't know that song, yeah.
And sexy.
I don't know it. Why go?
I want it slow
him.
Just kiss me, touch me, tease me, baby, and just hold me tight. Then look into my eyes and make me fantasize.
Can I say something, babe?
Can I say something? Let me say something.
Hey, skin it out, pussy fat, make me tin it out. Hey, take body got. Yeah, shot, bout, back shot, stab it out. She say, Addy, time out. When you want me take it out and put it in your mouth. The pussy tight like tile when it grow.
Me can't even break up. Me can't even break down the lyrics them. Me can't break down the lyrics them. Me know the lyrics them, you know. But I refuse to break them down. I refuse to break down.
You're gonna take me, boy.
Hold on. Hey, skin it out, pussy fat, make me tin it out. Hey, take body got. Yeah, shot, bout, back shot, stab it out. She say, Addy, time out.
Yeah, some girl get turned on because of what the G say right now. Rough Sex. The song name Rough Sex. Yeah. Me tell you, I get a girl because of that song. I swear, no joke.
Hold on.
Hey,
skin it out, pussy fat, make me tin it out. Hey, take body got. You don't know.
Man says, yo, make a breakdown. Man says, skin it out, pussy fat, make me tin it out. Take body girl. I understand me need to react to that. Take body girl, I think me easy. Take body girl. You didn't knock out. You talk about back shot.
Hey, skin it out, pussy fat, make me tin it out. Hey, take body got. You don't knock out. You chat about back shot, stab it out. She say, Addy, time out.
She want break. She said fan break. She said, well, the last cup fan there. Bring it over here, so. Fan break.
Body got. You don't knock out. You chat about back shot, stab it out.
She said, Addy, time out.
When you want me take it out and put it in your mouth. The pussy tight like tile when it grow.
You hear what the man said the tight like? When you hear what the man tight like? The man say the tight like tile when it growth. Tile when it growth. When you know what that mean? For those of the young ones who don't know what a tile when it growth look like. Tile when it growth, when you put on tile in the floor or on a bathroom wall and you put them together, you have to put the growth in between them for keep them together. Growth, tile when it growth. The man say you're something tight like tile when it growth. It's basically water. Basically watertight.
Time out. When you want me take it out and put it in your mouth. The pussy tight like tile when it grow. Make me ram it, no yam it, no pig it out. Don't touch me cocky it out. Make me dig it out.
Make me ram it, no yam it, no pig it out. Them say pig craving, you know, I'm saying nah yam. Don't yam.
Addy,
time out.
When you want me take it out and put it in your mouth. The pussy tight like tile when it grow. Make me ram it, no yam it, no pig it out. Don't touch me cocky it out. Make me dig it out.
Don't hold on pan the John, don't hold on pan the rifle. No hold on pan the baby. Cock it up, make me dig it out.
When it grow, make me ram it, no yam it, no pig it out. Don't touch me cocky it out. Make me dig it out.
Oh, can't you slow it down? Can't you make love to me?
At first she said she wanted slow, you know. At first she said she wanted slow. This a time now she said, can you slow it down? Make love to me. That you want? Alright, me have something for you.
Make me dig it out.
Oh, can't you slow it down?
Yeah.
Can't you make love to me?
Alright.
Can't you give off yourself and just fulfill my fantasy?
May I go try?
Just let me lose my mind.
Alright.
Go to a place in time and let my body shake.
Hey, that's right, that. Bring it away.
Me no run pussy pram push put in your bush. Make you feel more steam than rice we just cook.
What? Where you say you are?
Go to a place in time and let my
Wait until I get to the second verse properly. Wait.
body shake and shiver centuries up my spine.
Me no run pussy pram push put in your bush. Make you feel more.
Me no run pussy pram push hood in your bush. Make you feel more steam than rice we just cook. What?
Let me lose my mind.
Hot.
Go to a place in time
Me a introduce you now.
and let my
Bear with me. Me a introduce you now.
body shake and shiver
Ladies.
centuries up my spine.
Me no run pussy pram push put in your bush. Make you feel more steam than rice we just cook. When you say me cocky bigger than buffalo foot. I no look, hey, why don't your foot like more?
You say me cocky bigger than buffalo foot. I don't know why don't your foot like book? Why don't your foot like book?
My mind go to a
Me introduce you now.
and let my body
Me introduce you now.
centuries up my spine.
Me Me no run pussy from push, hood inna your bush. Make you feel more steam like rice we just cook. You see say me cocky bigger than buffalo foot. And no look, hey, why don't your foot like book? Make you write on the week's name, cocky make you puke. Your friend a look, as what me say, make she look.
Me no business baby, your friend a look, how's what me say, make she look. Ladies!
Foot like book, make you write on the week's name, cocky make you puke. Your friend a look, as what me say, make she look. Come sit down pon body like bridge, I made a bro. Come wine, come wine, come wine, come wine till me choke.
Come sit down pon body like bridge I made a broke. Come wine, come wine, come wine, come wine. Alright, here the next part now.
Come sit down pon body like bridge I made a bro. Come wine, come wine, come wine, come wine till me choke.
Baby, take your time. Why can't you do it slow?
Here the part now. Here's just a cartel. Here's just a baby, take your time. Why can't you do it slow? Here what she a go say.
Take your time.
Here what she a go say. I'm telling you, say them girl here no man. Here what she a go say.
Why can't you do it slow? Please.
Let me say,
I'm begging you.
baby,
Slow.
baby,
Baby.
listen.
Hold on. Alright. Here she beg, say she want it slow. Here the boss I go agree with her and say him I go give her slow. Here what she a go say after that.
Baby,
Listen what she a go say after that. Why go?
girl,
I can make you come, but I'm not into slow. I rub your pussy with my fingers till your juices flow. I kiss your nipples too. That's all that I would kiss. Hear what she said. Hear what she said.
You know what? Fuck me.
Bob What? What? What you just say? Me not hear you.
you can't.
Me not hear
I'm
you.
not into slow. I'll rub your pussy with my fingers till your
Me not hear
juices
you.
flow. I'll kiss your nipples too.
That's all that I would kiss. Nothing smooth from a dick like this. You know what she said?
Fuck me.
That me like here, come right cocky back here, yeah, give me ticky like Nike here. Oi! Hi! This are my favorite cartel girl song. Me I tell you the truth, me not joke.
That's all that I will kiss. Nothing smooth from a dick like
You
this.
know what? Fuck me.
That me like here.
Listen, girl, I can make you come, but I'm not into slow. I'll rub your pussy with my fingers till your juices flow. I'll kiss your nipples too. That's all that I will kiss. Nothing smooth from a dick like
You
this.
know what? Fuck me.
That me like here. Come right cocky bike here. Girl, give me ticky like Nike here.
What teacher say? That me like here, come right cocky bike here. Girl give me ticky like Nike here. When me done is like George Bush did have a airstrike here. Black pussy ear town white here. Beard and bring it. Oh, it not reach so far. It not reach so far still.
Baby, listen.
Hey.
Girl, I can make you come, but I'm not into slow. I'll rub your pussy with my fingers till your juices flow. I'll kiss your nipples too. That's all that I will kiss. Nothing smooth from a dick like this.
You know what she said?
Fuck me.
That me like here. Come right cocky bike here. Girl, give me ticky like Nike here. When me done is like George Bush did have a ear strike here. Black pussy ear tone white here. Here and bring it, me right here. Day or night here.
You are always invite here. What me have to do to prove to you that I care? Baby, listen up and we hear. Oh, but what you say? Yeah, I can make you come, but I'm not.
To bring it, me right here. Day or night here. You are always invite here. What me have to do to prove to you that I care? Baby, listen, are you here?
Girl, I can make you come, but I'm not into slow. I rub your nipples with my fingers till your juices flow. I kiss your nipples too. That's all that I would kiss. Nothing smooth from a dick like this. You know what she say? Fuck me. I that me like here. Yo, every time them drop them bad song, yeah, and left piece at the rhythm at the end, it is a recipe for disaster. It's a recipe for disaster. Thank me later. Thank me later. I introduced a lot of you guys to this song. Thank me later. This is my favorite cartel girl song. Thank me. Big up Delicious. Thank me later, ladies. Ladies, thank me later. Wanna go and go get breed to that now. Valentine Day just gone, but go and go get breed to it. See me. Yo, me gone.
Jamaica's worst gamer.